I want to enjoy my time with my grandkids. I don't want to be sedentary, don't want to be in bed, and until you live, you should be moving. I am Meena Dama. My age is 65. I stay in 𝐒𝐞𝐞𝐧𝐚. My story is a bit different from the other patient maybe. In 2005, I had a slip disc. So I approached to Dr. 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐺𝐻's team at that time in Hinduja Hospital, and they suggested me all the treatment. Then I was much better. Then I traveled to Mansarovar. Luckily, due to 𝐒𝐤𝐺𝐻's team, I could do Mansarovar very well, and I was very happy at that time. And then yearly I used to meet them. In 2011, I had a head collision in the garden. One hefty boy collapsed. Just we bang on each other, and I was thrown in the air. And then my spine got disorder. Then we approached the Dr. 𝐒𝐤𝐺𝐻's team again, and then he said that you need surgery at that time. And in August 2011, we went for the surgery first time. And after a while, after a few years, he said that your disc is getting darker and darker, so you may come into the problem again. But I was not aware of this, and in 2020 when the corona came, and at that time I had again severe back pain, and Dr. Priyank Patel, he gave me epidural at that time, and the thing went like that, and due to heavy corona we couldn't do anything. And when it got lighter in 21, then I got surgery again, and I'm doing much better after second surgery also. So I travel a lot, I travel frequently, but always smooth ride and like that. So I request people that if you are in such kind of problem, don't get scared of surgery, wearing a belt and have a sedentary life. This is not a life. You can enjoy your life better and good way, and you can enjoy with your kids and all. Because at the second surgery, time of second surgery, Dr. 𝐒𝐤𝐺𝐻 asked me that why you want to go for the second surgery again. I said, I want to enjoy my time with my grandkids. I don't want to be sedentary, don't want to be in bed, and until you live, you should be moving. So I request people, don't hesitate, don't get scared, and I hope this video will help everyone who are in this position. Thank you.
Hello, hi everyone. This is Amrut Dama. I am husband of Meena Dama, who had a spine surgery twice under Dr. 𝐒𝐤𝐺𝐻. We thank Dr. 𝐒𝐤𝐺𝐻 for his wonderful surgery and post-surgery treatments as well. First time when we had surgery for Meena, it was very difficult for her to walk because the pain had shot up so much after that fall that she had it in the garden while walking during the daytime. Post-surgery, we after the prescribed time, we continued our journey. Our travels were very frequent, inland as well as overseas, and we had all the fun that we could. Of course, bearing those restraints, wherever there would be bumpy rides, where we would take care and avoid such. But otherwise, there were no any shortcomings. Later, as with the time, there was a deterioration which was slightly marked during the first surgery that had grown up more. So, it was naturally recommended by doctor to undergo the second surgery, because that time also her movement had become more sluggish and they were rather with the pain. Post second surgery, the things went, everything have gone smooth. Now she is again with the travel business that we carry, she enjoyed the places, and to a limited extent she dances as well. This freedom has been granted thanks to the excellent surgery performed by Dr. 𝐒𝐤𝐺𝐻. Now also, of course, we have to follow the steps which are recommended by doctor, like having recommended physio exercises, good diet, maintaining body weight, and avoiding the stagnancy. So this all things are are helping her life to be maintained like much more like a pleasantry, and at the same time it is giving me as well full freedom with my wife to enjoy the time. Thanks again to doctor. We are both having a wonderful family life with our grandchildren, with our family, and with our business. Thank you again, doctor.
I request that maintain your body weight, do regular exercise, whatever is suggested by the doctor's team, and have a healthy food habits that will keep you very fit. Even aging is with everybody, so we need to observe all these things. Thank you.